Welcome to qnawire.
So in this problem, we're asked to use numerical and graphical methods to show what the limit as x goes to 1 of this function x cubed minus 1 over the square root of x minus 1 equals. So first of all, numerically, let's make a table here of x's and f of x. Okay, we'll have our x's go to 1 first from the left. So if you put 0.5 into this formula, you get 2.987. 0.75 in here, you get 4.315. 0.90 in here, you get 5.281. Inching our way towards 1, right? 0.93 gives me 5.49. 0.99 gives me 5.925. 0.999 gives me 5.9925. Alright, so this suggests that the limit as x approaches 1 from the left of our function is 6, doesn't it? Alright, now let's go from the other way. Let's start at 1.1. That's 6.782. And 1.065 is 6.501. 1.01 is 6.075. 1.001, see, I'm getting closer and closer to 1. 6.0075. So this suggests that the limit as x approaches 1 from the right then, right? So I'm coming in closer from the right of our function is also 6. So, since I have the same limit from the left and the right, then I have the limit. It's not writing very neatly. Let me try that again. Limit as x approaches 1 of x cubed minus 1 over the square root of x minus 1. This function is 6, numerically, isn't it? Alright, let's see it graphically now. I look at it graphically. Here's the graph. Y equals x cubed minus 1 over the square root of x minus 1. And what do I see? As I get closer and closer and closer to 1 here, I can't have the value at 1, but I can get closer and closer. And you notice that the values are getting closer and closer and closer to 6 all the time. Okay, so that means graphically we were able to confirm this as well. Now, the next question we're asked is, how close to 1 is x for us to be within 0.5 of the limit? Well, let's look at the table we made here. Okay, the limit is 6, then I want to be at 5.5 to 6.5, don't I? And I can see right there that I have to be at 0.93 or 1.065, right? Okay, so I have to be 0.93, is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 1.065, right? Within that range. And so I'm only allowed to give one delta here. So we'll say that delta is the absolute value of x minus 1. For this. Where this limit as x approaches 1, x cubed minus 1 over the square root of x minus 1. Right, that's the value of this. Minus the 6 minus the limit, right, is within 0.5. And actually, I shouldn't say equal to, is within there. All right. So for that to happen, that means x is in this range, but I can only get one value of delta. So that delta is going to be, it's either 0.07 or 0.065. So I need the smaller one. So 0.65 is the answer that I'm looking for.